My name is Vladimir Garner. I'm the Business Development Manager for Relevant Solutions. We are a distribution partner for Emerson Discrete Automation. And what I want to talk to you about today is the upgrade from the 9030 platform to the RX3i. So the 9030 was a very popular PLC platform that was launched by GE or GE Fanuc in the early 90s. There's a ton of them out there. They're doing their job. But unfortunately, it was discontinued and matured probably over 10 years ago. So it's getting harder and harder to find replacement parts. But the upgrade path from the 9030 to the RX3i is one of the simplest, least risked ones in the industry. So when GE at the time developed the RX3i, they designed it with upgrading from the 9030 in mind. In fact, if you look at let me talk about the 9030 platform first. So like any other PLC, you've got your power supply, you've got your CPU, and you've got your I/O cards. And these I/O cards snap right out of the chassis or the backplane. And the way the RX3i was designed, it was designed with upgrading from the 9030 in mind. So if you look at the RX3i backplane, you'll notice there's two connectors. There's a large PCI connector and a smaller serial connector. And this serial connector was designed to take in 9030 modules. So if you'll look at the back of every 9030 I/O module, they'll have this smaller connector. And I can take a 9030 module straight out of the 9030 rack and plug it directly in to the RX3i. The larger platform is for the new modern RX3i based modules. So you can use a combination of reused I/O from the 9030 and replace it with newer RX3i modules. And those newer RX3i modules would plug into the larger PCI connector on the backplane. But in short, all you need to do to upgrade from the 9030 to the RX3i is new backplane, new power supply, new CPU, and then each of your cards can be simply moved from the older backplane to the new RX3i backplane. And in fact, if you look at the bolt holes on the 9030 backplane, they line up perfectly with the corresponding bolt holes for the RX3i backplane. In addition, if you need to upgrade the logic and the configuration, you can connect to your older 9030, import that into Pack Machine Edition. It's just a few clicks and it will convert your configuration and your logic. You move your cards, you download your old configuration and logic, which has been converted to the RX3i, into the RX3i, start it up, do your commissioning, and you should be good to go. So that in a nutshell are the steps to convert a 9030 to the RX3i. If you still have a 9030 in your factory or in your processing, in your plant anywhere, and you would like some help making that conversion happen, please get in touch with the Relevant Industrial Engineered Solutions Group. Our engineers would be more than happy to help you with that.